Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Arvind here, and today we are going to start with the new chapter. And the name of the new chapter is Gopal and the Hills of Fish. Actually, it is a comic story. It is an interesting story. Let us start to discuss it. So, dear student, let us start our chapter Gopal and the Hills of Fish. Have you ever read a comic book? A comic book contains stories told mainly through pictures. This whole chapter is likely a comic book that deals with the picture. One where a story told mainly through the picture, so we can say that they are using pictures similarly in this chapter. Also, you will learn the story by pictures. So, let us start. It was the season for hills of fish. Fisherman could think of nothing but hills of fish. It means only upon a time fishermen they were only talking about hills of fish because that was the season of hills of fish. Now next point is fisher work sold nothing but hills of fish. That is, every fisherman were selling the hilsa fish. Come buy, the price of hilsa is down today. Fishermen were calling to the people, come and buy the hilsa fish because cost of hilsa fish is very less today. So just come and purchase it. Householders could talk of nothing but hilsa fish. Householders were only talking about hilsa fish. A woman who is asking to the fisherman how much money did pay for that hilsa. Then the shopkeeper fisherman replied, if I were told you about the cost of hilsa fish, you will not believe it too. And in the place of the king courtiers, all were discussing nothing but hilsa fish. In the court of king, all persons were talking about hilsa, and king said, "You are courtiers or a fisherman." The persons in the courtiers were already talking about hilsa fish, nothing, know anything about any person. Now next is stop it. The king replied to the courtiers, stop it. Are you a courtiers or fisherman? He told that, who are you? You are courtiers or a fisherman? The courtiers fell silent with downcast eyes. The king felt guilty. At that time, the king were feeling guilty because he were stopped the courtiers talking about his office and their eyes were downcast. I'm sorry, I lost my temper. It is the season for hilsa fish and no one. The king replied that it was the time of hilsa fish because everyone is talking about the hilsa fish. Not even Gopal can stop even anyone from talking about hilsa fish, not even for 5 minutes. And the king was saying that only Gopal can stop everyone to talk about hilsa fish, not even for 5 minutes. Oh, I think I could, Your Majesty. But Gopal said that I can do that. I can stop people to talk about hilsa fish. And the king challenged Gopal. Then let me see you, but a huge hilsa fish, bring it to the place without anyone asking you a word about it. The king told that you have to bring a hilsa fish in the palace, but no one have to talk about that hilsa fish. The Gopal accepted the challenge of that king. A few days later, after some days, Gopal's wife something asking something to him, why is your face half seven? Gopal's wife will get confused that why he has shaved half beard. I'm dressing up to buy a fish. Gopal replied to his wife that he is going to buy a fish. What's the matter with you? Why are you saving, smearing yourself with ash? I told you I'm dressing up to buy a hilsa fish. The Gopal replied again to the wife that he is going to buy a hilsa fish. So while he has dressed like that, listen to me, please. You can't possibly go out in those disgraceful rags. What are you to? Gopal, who was very brilliant person, replied her woman that how many times I am out to buy a huge hills of his. That woman called him that he was going to mad. Gopal bought the hilsa fish and started walking towards the palace. Gopal has bought a hilsa fish, a huge hilsa fish, and started to walk to the palace. All peoples are looking on him. You can see in these pictures. You are looking. Every person were looking to the Gopals that how he was going to from fish market to the palace. Boy told to him her mother, mother, look at the man. Isn't he comical? He told that, Ma, he was comical, he is joker, or he is going to be mad. He must be a madman. Other person told that, I think he is mad. People were talking about Gopal that he must be a mad man. Someone saying that he must be a mystic. When Gopal reached the court, Gopal Gopal reached to the court of king. That soldiers were asking, what do you want? Gopal said that I want to see the king. It means I want to meet the king. Soldier replied that you can see king, get away with you. He told that the soldiers told that you can't meet with the king. You have to go away. Gopal began to dance and sing loudly. Gopal had started to dance and sing loudly. Inside the palace. It is the scene of inside the palace that the king was listening. King was listening to the matter of that person. That the man is crazy. Throw him out at once. I want to see the king. Let me in. That is, it means king was listening about the conversation of Gopal and their soldiers. Bring that man at once. Yes, your majesty. King called soldiers and told him that bring that person to here. The soldier replied, yes, your majesty. Gopal was brought before the king. Gopal was in front of the king, and king was sitting at his throne, and all person were looking at the Gopal. Gopal was saying that some courtiers say that it was Gopal. The man lost his mind. Some courtiers started murmuring together that the man has lost his mind. I think it's one of his crazy jokes. And someone saying that he is just his crazy jokes. All right, Gopal, out with it. Why are you dressed up in the ridiculous fashion? The king asked to the Gopal that why you have beared this type of clothes. Your Majesty, you seem to have forgotten something. Gopal replied to the king that, Your Majesty, you have forgotten something. The king, surprised for a bit, and speak a word, forgotten something. Then Gopal replied, strangely enough, no one seems to be interested in Hilsa Fish today. From the market to the place, and in the court, and a soul has spoken a word without Hilsa Fish. Gopal explained that today no one is interested to talk about Hilsa fish from the market to the palace. I came, no one asked anything about the Hilsa fish. I listened. Only then did the king remember the challenge he had thrown to Gopal. Then the king remembered the challenge has thrown to Gopal, and the king replied, "Ha ha! Well, Gopal, congratulations! You have achieved the impossible once again." The king was laughing. You have achieved the impossible work again. So, my dear student, I think you have already understand this story Gopal and the Hilsa fish, and you have to learn about that. Thank you. Have a nice day.